Hey, my name is Gulrez and you are watching Gultech. Today I will show you how to download correct Google Cam port for your Oneplus 3 or 3T. So let's start the video. I have given the link in the description. You just need to install that APK and boom, your Gcam is ready to work. First, you go to File Manager. Then click on Downloads and here is the Gcam APK. Click on this and click on the install button. It will take some time. Oh, and you can see our Gcam application is installed. Click on the open, click on allow, and you can see Google Cam is working perfectly. Here is portrait mode, panorama mode, lens blur. The slow motion mode will not work on Android Pie version, as you can see in the video. It is not working perfectly. Now let's compare Google Cam pictures taken by OnePlus and its own stock camera. You can judge by your own. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, then don't forget to subscribe my channel for more tricks and tips. Goodbye. Peace.